Language models normally work only with conversation history. FilesystemMiddleware gives an AI agent safe, structured access to files, folders, and project data.
Modern AI agents need more than chat. They must inspect code, update documentation, generate files, and automatically evict massive file read outputs to protect the LLM's context.
Without FilesystemMiddleware, the agent cannot access the local file system or persist artifacts because no file interaction tools are available to the model.
Adding this single middleware from the DeepAgents ecosystem automatically injects a robust suite of Filesystem tools directly into your LangChain agent's context.
The middleware automatically exposes standardized tools for listing directories, reading files, editing existing content, writing new files, and pattern searching across projects. FilesystemMiddleware doesn't store files itself. It acts as a stateless bridge, delegating all storage and execution operations to configurable backend implementations.
StateBackend stores files entirely in memory. Everything disappears when the agent session ends, making it the perfect default for prototyping, demos, and automated testing.
StoreBackend persists files beyond the current session by connecting to an underlying langgraph database store, allowing agents to remember generated documents and previous work across restarts.
CompositeBackend combines multiple backends through path routing. Temporary scratch files remain in memory, while selected project folders are automatically routed to permanent storage.
Sandboxed backends provide isolated container environments. When attached, the middleware dynamically injects a seventh tool, Execute, allowing agents to safely run shell commands without.
Every storage and execution strategy sits as a direct peer under the middleware, giving you complete architectural flexibility without changing your agent's core logic.
Choose your backend based on your application's architecture: temporary in-memory state, database persistence, direct local disk access, hybrid routing, or isolated container execution.
This production example imports the middleware from DeepAgents and explicitly configures the StateBackend, which is also the default behavior if omitted. Suppose the user asks the agent to create a file named hello.txt containing the text "Hello LangChain."
The language model autonomously evaluates its available tools and invokes write_file with the correct arguments, eliminating the need for manual programming logic.
The agent can inspect existing files, answer complex questions about project structures, and understand large codebases automatically. Search tools quickly locate functions or pseudo comments across entire repositories. If a search returns massive output, the middleware automatically evicts the payload overflow.
FilesystemMiddleware enables autonomous coding assists that generate code, run chests and sandboxes, update documentation, and safely refactor complex software projects. FilesystemMiddleware transforms conversational AI into a true software agent. Combined with the right backend, it provides secure, flexible, and production-ready file management capability.